Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix the Cloudflare Warp disconnected. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. And this will help you maintain a stable, fast, and secure VPN connection for private browsing. So first, what you will have to do is go ahead and open the Cloudflare Warp app on your device, which is either on Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android, and you should see the warp icon on the top. So it should be like this. And what you will do is turn the warp off. And you will wait about 10 seconds or so and then turn it back on. This refreshes the connection, and then go ahead and click your settings and go to advanced and click reset warp. This resets misconfigured options without uninstalling the app. And finally, if the problem persists, you will have to ensure that you are using the latest version of Warp. Update via your App Store or Cloudflare website, and then restart your device if necessary. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.